Badami, the capital of Chalukyas, who ruled Karnataka over 2 centuries, where the myths, history, reality, and culture entangles. We made our way through the narrow streets, with the cave temples, Agastya Lake dotted with Bodhanath group of temples, fort, the hills, and the surrounding greenery. Badami looked extremely beautiful. The presence of an Islamic dome in Badami surprised us. It was built by Tipu Sultan in 18th century. Badami was known as Vadabi in early times. There is a story behind it. It is said that in old times there lived two asuras, Ilvala and Vadabi, who tricked and killed the travelers until the Sage Agastya came and turned them into hills. Badami got its present name from Badami colored rocks. Badami was the regal capital of Chalukyas from 6th to 8th century. Pulakeshi first founded the Chalukya dynasty and built the fort in Badami. In Badami, architecture is a fusion of North Indian Nagara and South Indian Dravidian style. There are 4 cave temples in Badami. First cave temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Second and third cave temples are dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And fourth one is Jain. Each cave consists of its sanctum, a hall, a veranda and pillars. There are beautiful sculptures and carvings. 18 Nadaraja, Mahishasura Mardini, Harihara and images of Mahavira are among them. It speaks volumes of Chalukya's art and architecture. From the caves, we can have a panoramic view of Badami Fort and Agastya Lake. There was something about in Badami, beyond its architectural beauty, history, mythology, and culture that attracted us. It is the religious tolerance. There were Hindu, Jain caves, the Islamic structures, that too within a single complex. Though all these structures were built at different times. Badami is an excellent model, which shows how different religious elements can exist in harmony if we human beings are tolerant. This is something we should emulate and practice. As the sun was setting slowly, we bid farewell to Badami. It was a beautiful trip, and we wished to come back someday.